And now somewhere live from Miami, it's Rudy. Hey guys, my name is Rudy, and today we're going to talk about Taste of Chicago. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? Is it good? Is it expensive? Going to answer all the questions. And here comes the video. So, I'm sure a lot of you guys have gotten on Facebook a little message that said, hey, check out Taste of Chicago, live in Chicago, to your house. Well, I gave it a shot, and as usual, I will cover it for you guys. I'll tell you the good, the bad, and we're going to find out because I hadn't had this yet. But here's how it works. So, you get this box. Pretty light. FedEx delivers it. My cost, I ordered the 2 pizzas here. On the spot here. 2 Malnati's deep dish pizzas. My cost was $67.99. Kind of expensive, but let's see what we got. So, you cut the box open, and inside the box is an ice chest. I don't know if you guys ever bought meat like this. Put it out here. It's actually kind of cool when it works the way it's supposed to. You get this little cooler, kind of like the old style fishing coolers, and inside you have the pizza. Now, this thing's supposed to be frozen. It was cool to the touch. It has been 2 days ago since I got this package, and I did what it said. Immediately put it in the freezer, which is what I did. But my first problem with this was the dried ice. It was completely empty. Now, again, the pizza was cold. So, here's what we have. I bought the vegetarian and also the cheese. My 2 favorite pizzas. I personally believe that you don't need meat on a pizza. That's just me. So, let's take a quick peek at what we got here and the instructions. So, I also was unclear as to how this worked. Now, there's some businesses out there, like if I remember Utah, that you go out and you get the pizza and you cook it at home. My total thing was $67.99 for 2 of them. And I looked at the instructions here, and they have hot dogs, they have all sorts of things. So, the first thing was to preheat the oven at 425 degrees. Then remove the lid, take the pizza out, wipe away the condensation, and oil the pan. Return the pizza to the pan in the middle of the rack until the cheese melts and becomes crispy and brown. Baking times may vary based on deal from 30 to 45 minutes, which is a large range, and we'll have to definitely watch this, and that'll be the second part of this. So, vegetable pizza looks like this. This kind of packaging kind of looks like that one Mexican food place. Can't think of the name. You guys think of the name? Let me know. And this one here. It's got all your nutrition stuff on it, and we're going to start with this one. So I'm going to cut this open. And I've already cheated. I already got the pizza of the oven started. Okay. So, this is like kind of like one of those little pie things, or Pita Pit, I think is the name of the place I was thinking of earlier. So, we're going to put this in here, and it's got a 1-800 number, 1-800-LOO-TO-GO, or tasteofchicago.com. I'm not being paid for this review. This is out of my own money and out of my own courtesy, because my channel is all about helping people do stuff and things and explore some different adventures, and this is one of them. So, that's interesting. Here's what I got. This is the cheese pizza. Deep dish. What we're going to do is we're going to very carefully remove this. Actually, probably don't. Tilt it. This thing is frozen solid, just like it's supposed to do. Condensation. Now there's a little bit of it. Let me grab a napkin real quick. My first impression over here is I see the cheese on top. I'm really curious to see how much of a cheesy flavor this will actually be. Right now it looks like kind of like a tomato sauce here with a little bit of sprinkled cheese. So let's find out what we got here. I'm going to take a little bit of oil. This will make the pizza come out nice and smooth. I'm just going to do it by hand here. So now we've thoroughly coated the bottom thing. In goes the pizza, but not the paper. And we're going to cook 30 to 45 minutes. So, ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to do is we're going to show what this looks like. Now for me, I'm a bachelor. You can see all my stuff. I had to move all my pans because this is where I keep my pans. I don't want to let out too much heat. This is about the middle of the rack. Actually, I'm going to stick it right here. And we'll check this out 30 to 45 minutes and see what this looks like. I'm hoping it's a little bit of Chicago. My biggest thing I had with Chicago was, when I wanted to try the pizza over there, was that you kind of went through toll roads, and then you're out of Chicago and into Iowa, and you don't know how you got there. So, hoping this is a little bit of Chicago. I will let you know how things go. And I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.